Hey, what's up guys, Meet Jay here. Welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna show you how to create this digital countdown effect in Cinema 4D. Let's jump right into it. Create a plane. Make it the same size as the clock screen. I'll change the size to an integer and make the segments half the size so that the plane is evenly subdivided. Let's change the layout to UV Edit. Press C to make the plane editable. Apply the cubic automatic UV mesh. In the File tab, click on New Texture. Rename it and change the resolution to 2K square. In the Layer tab, click on Create UV Mesh Layer. Save the texture. Now let's go to the After Effects to create the counter animation. Create a new composition. Set the resolution to 2K square, the same size as the UV mesh texture, and the duration to 2 minutes. Import the UV mesh as the reference for the counter. Create a text layer and enter the number. Move it to the center of the UV mesh area. Hold down the Option or Alt key and click on the time vary icon of the source text. Copy and paste the timer expression. Make sure the expression engine is set to Legacy Extend Script in the project settings. Keyframe the slider to create the countdown animation. Render the JPEG sequences. Now let's go back to Cinema 4D. Create a cloner and a sphere. Change the radius and the segments of the sphere to make it small and less polygonal. Clone the sphere. Change the clone mode to Object. Make a copy of the plane and drag it into the object link. Change the distribution to Polygon Center. Move the plane back a little to make it the background panel. Turn it off to see the cloner clearly. Add a shader effector to the clone. In the Parameter tab, change the scale to -1. In the Shading tab, create a bitmap shader. Load the first frame of the JPEG sequence, which rendered in After Effects just now. In the Animation tab of the bitmap shader, set the frame rate and click Calculate. The animation is calculated automatically. Activate the time-dependent checkbox. The UV map is facing backwards. Rotate it to the front side. Let's check the animation. Yeah, that's it. Now the little dots are invert to the text area. Let's copy the cloner and the shader. In the bitmap shader, change the black point to 1 and the white point to 0. This will invert the clone to the text area. Now the two cloners make up the entire dot screen. Let's create a glow material to check the effect. Add the material to the second cloner. Yeah, that's the effect I wanted. Okay, that's all for today's tutorial. If it helps, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.